Hi guys! In this video you will learn how to integrate ChatGPT with Google Docs. Well, to do that, step 1. Get the GPT for Docs add-on first. Go to the where you can get new stuff for Google Docs and Sheets. Find the ChatGPT for Sheets and Docs add-on and add it. It's like getting a cool tool for writing. Then step 2. Make a new Google document. Open a fresh Google document. It's like starting with a new, empty piece of paper for your writing adventure. Then step 3. Set up your OpenAI API key. This is where you connect your document to a smart database. Think of it like plugging in a special cord that makes your document really clever. Then step 4. Open the special sidebar. Go to the Extensions menu in your document. Click on GPT for Sheets and Docs and select Launch Sidebar. This sidebar is like a secret menu that helps you use the add-on. And step 5. Start talking to ChatGPT or Cloud. In the sidebar or right in your document, type in a question or a topic. You'll get back cool answers and ideas. It's like having a chat with a super smart friend who knows a lot of things. And that's how to integrate ChatGPT with Google Docs. If you like this video, please click the like and subscribe and ring the bell icon to notify you to our next video. Thank you for watching!